everybody, Brother Echo here, and today we're talking about a very important topic. The topic is aspartame. Now, a lot of you out there have probably heard of aspartame before. Some of you might even know a lot about it. But what we're doing today is reaching out to those people who don't know what aspartame is, and we have a little bit of new information with regard to it. It's also important that for those of us out there who are familiar with this drug, that we spread the word, that we get information out, that we inform people and make our knowledge useful. So let's just talk about aspartame for a second. This is a drug that was developed by a pharmaceutical company called GD Searle. They developed this drug to combat ulcers, and they found out that this actually was a very sweet tasting drug, and they lobbied the FDA to turn it around and get it off of the list from being a drug to a food additive. And it took several years and several billions of dollars, but they actually ended up getting it done, and they did test run in certain foods, and the public had a big uproar, but it still got pushed through. Now, aspartame is in everything today. If you go into a store, it's in all the gum, it's in processed foods, it's in the sodas, and the really outstanding thing about this, especially for people that think they're doing a good job by drinking diet soda, is that aspartame actually tricks your brain into wanting to eat more food. So the people that are 200, 300 pounds and trying to do good by drinking diet soda are really, ironically, doing bad for themselves in more than one ways. Aspartame really affects the brain. It's an excitotoxin, and it destroys brain cells. Now, what the company has done, since people have been getting the word out and more people are becoming aware of what aspartame is, they have changed the name. So this is what I really wanted to get out there today, so people are aware of it. I just found out the name has been changed to AminoSweet. So now you can get a product and it won't even say aspartame on it, it'll say AminoSweet, and it seems like it's some new kind of sweetener. If you go to the website, aminosweet.info, they're actually pushing it as this healthy sweetener that is a protein that you can find just like in dairy or milk or cheese, when the fact is, it's anything but safe. This has been known to cause psychological damage to people, neurological disorders. It's very dangerous. And a lot of people out there who have kids are unknowingly buying products with it and passing it on to their kids and eating it themselves. So, if you're watching this video, I encourage you to Google aspartame, Google AminoSweet, educate yourself, find out what products these are in, and do not purchase these products. Now, the real simple way to get around all this is to adopt a living foods lifestyle and eat real clean, simple foods, whole foods, and to juice, make smoothies, make salads, make your own food. If you can, grow your own food. That's the way to go, because I will tell you this through my own research, through my own experience, and the reason why I am raw vegan and subscribe to a living foods diet today is because I found out the wool was lifted from my eyes, and I saw in an instant that everything in the grocery stores isn't food. You know, 95% of it isn't food. You go to your produce section, you got some good stuff over there, but everything else in the store, all that processed food is not food, and it's not sustainable for this planet. It's not sustainable for our human bodies. Our bodies need live food that gives us energy from the sun so we can grow and be strong and be clear and speak well and carry ourselves well in this world. So if you're a parent and you want that for your child, please take the initiative to educate yourself about living foods, about food in general, and take care of those little ones. We are opening a new food truck in the Los Angeles area. It's a raw vegan food truck called Open Source, the Open Source truck. It's under the company Open Source Organics. We are not only serving up really good high vibrational living foods to the public, but we are making it a point to educate people. So once we hit the streets here in a week or so, we invite you to come down when you get your beverages. If you want to bring your kids, if you have questions about juicing, about cleansing, about living foods, about raw foods, about detoxing, about cleansing, about any of these additives that are put in our food, about processed food, about the standard American diet, please come and ask. We'll have an environment where you can actually come and sit down. You can email in questions for us to talk about on camera. This is just the first video that we're doing in a long series, an ongoing series. We'll do 1 or 2 videos a week that we'll be talking about very important topics and issues that have to do with your health and your kids' health. So thank you for tuning in. My name is Brother Echo from the Open Source Truck and Open Source Organics. You can check us out and learn more about us at opensourceorganics.com.